Hello everyone. So in my previous tutorial, I explained about how to do the product research using Alibaba, AliExpress, and also I explained you about how the fulfillment works, how to source and code the products, right? So in the next section, I'll be explaining about how to choose the brand name and where to get the domain from, and also the copyright and the trademark checks using Trademark here, and also how to be registered with the business email, right? So let's dive in, right? Okay. So the first thing is, like, let's say you always have a brand name in your mind, and also do a check. So you can go to Shopify business name generator and just you can use ChatGPT and get some combination of names based on your niche and product. So and then you can come to Shopify business name generator and just go to this place footer and then enter the name and then start searching for it so that you get a little bit of combination. So I suggest you to go under 10 characters. That's always good, right? So let's say for the purpose of this tutorial, so I'm taking Urban Wig as a brand name, right? This is the first thing that you got to do, and then the most important thing is, like, you're going to do the copywriting and the trademark checks, right? So let's say if somebody has registered with us, so later, suppose, let's say if your brand is going to new level of revenue, so there'll be issues in the future. So it's always good to do the the copywriting and the trademark checks, right? So for this one, so we don't find anything. So pretty much using this tool called Trademark here, which pretty much shows the trademarks and the copyrights from North America, Europe, or from India, Australia, and a couple of other countries. So yeah, you can pretty much use this tool. And so once you have that in your mind, so you can go to workspace.google.com and start your free trial. So pretty much you get 14 days free trial with all these tools inside. You can start with the basic plan, and yeah, you can pretty much sign up. And all right, okay. So I'm just not going to purchase the domain, but once you have all the steps ready, so you can go and purchase. Once you have the brand name in your mind, so you can pretty much go and purchase that. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to edit email address. So I'm gonna start my free trial with that, and then pretty much I'll just show you how the dashboard and all the settings inside the workshop looks like, right? So okay, so free trial. All right, so I'm just gonna set a password. All right, Shopify account, set password. All right, you can pretty much skip all this, but yeah, you can we can just go through this, and you can set this up later. Step. All right, you're all set. So what you could do is go and choose a plan. So the first 3 months for $20 each, right? So your trial ends on May 20th. So you get 3 days free trial. Along with that, you have 3 months of $20 per month, right? So I'm just going to go and select a plan. So later we'll put all the details, other details. I'll just show you a couple of other things, right? So I'm just going to go and select the plan first. So I'm just going to go with the basic plan, but there are a lot of other plans. The only thing differs is the payment provider percentage. So the basic plan would pretty much, they'll charge you 2%, whereas for Grow it is 1, and for Advanced 10 plus, like respectively, it differs. And you can pretty much go through everything in the present plan. And I'm going to go with select the basic stuff. So I'm going to pause here. So I'm just going to pretty much fill all these details, and yeah. So see you soon. So I'm not going to put my credit card or debit card. So right. So just put the details. So pretty much right. So fast forward. Okay. So what you need to do is, like, okay, choose UPI. So you can use your UPI ID and then add your phone number and address, and pretty much you can add your apartment suite or etc. And then add your PIN code or city and state and along with your country. So I'm gonna set up my UPI. Okay. So you need to set up your address. So I'm gonna set my UPI. So until August 19, this will not be charged until August 19. So August 19, this will be charged with $1,094. So okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to accept the payments and sign up. Alright, you can just pretty much go show price. What cost you for? Okay, they're gonna do an auto pay request up to $5,000. So pretty much you can do it, or not to worry. So they're not going to delete until you reach $5,000, right? So yeah, I think it's pretty much done. So alright, so now you can do it. Alright, so my payment is down to UPI, and alright, so what you can do is you just go to settings. So you can go to domain here. So what you can pretty much do is, like, okay, this will be showing like with some numbers and alphanumeric with myshopify.com. So what you can do is, like, you can pretty much connect your existing domain if you purchase from Namecheap or GoDaddy, and if you want to purchase from Shopify, you can go here and just, for example, let's say quick if it is available, and yeah, so this is not available. So pretty much what you can do is, so Alright, so you can see this urbanwig.in. So if you want to, like, if you're planning to sell only in India, so you can choose with urbanwig.in or urbanwig.store or urbanwig.com. So pretty much all D2C brands are choosing like .store. So yeah, you can pretty much go with it. So yeah. So this trademark.com is not available. So pretty much if I want to, you can purchase with whatever is convenient for you. So based on your niche. So pretty much I suggest you go with .com or .store, right? So yeah, in the next section I'll be taking you through a couple of other things. So here in this section, so we pretty much discuss about the brand name, how to choose a brand name, and how to choose using the Shopify business name generator, and also how to choose the plan and add your UPI ID and then purchase the basic plan so that you get for the next 3 months you get the Shopify plan for $20 each, and then how to do the copywriting, how to do the copyright and the trademark checks using Trademark here. Okay. All right, in this tutorial I pretty much explained about how to choose your brand name using Shopify branding generator, and also you can search for you can pretty much go to Shopify domain generator and pretty much go there and enter the brand name and pretty much check if you have the domain availability in that, and then you can pretty much go to Trademark here and check your copyright and trademark, right? And based on that this will be helpful. So let's say if your brand is going to hit 6% figure in the future, so to have not any issue in the future, so pretty much it's always good to do the trademark and the copyright checks before we start purchasing all this, such as the business name, the domain and the brand name and a couple of other things. So yeah, so in the next tutorial I'll be taking you to the next set of things that we need to do. Thank you so much.